Ever imagine needing to juggle multiple bank accounts just to manage your different currencies or spending habits? Wouldn't it be fantastic to have one account that could handle it all, with cards tailored to each specific need? Well, friends, buckle up because we're diving into the world of Monese and exploring exactly how many cards you can have with this financial management service. Maybe you're a freelancer who invoices in euros but pays your rent in pounds. Perhaps you're a globetrotter who wants a separate card for those spontaneous weekend getaways. Maybe you're simply someone who likes to categorize their spending, groceries on one card, entertainment on another. Whatever your reason, the question remains, can Monese keep up with your financial juggling act? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. But hold on, there's a twist, isn't there always? While Monese allows you to have a multifaceted financial life, there are some key distinctions to understand when it comes to the cards themselves. Let's break it down into two categories, physical cards and virtual cards. Physical plastic power, your Monese MasterCard. The first type of card you'll encounter with Monese is the classic physical debit card, a MasterCard, to be precise. This trusty companion allows you to make purchases both online and offline, just like any regular debit card. It's your key to accessing the funds in your Monese account at ATMs worldwide, offering that convenient cash-in-hand option. Now, here's the exciting part. With Monese, you can actually have more than one physical card linked to your account. That's right, you can create a financial ecosystem tailored to your needs. Here's the catch. Monese offers one free physical card with your initial account opening, regardless of the currency you choose, GBP, Euro, or RON. For any additional physical cards you desire, there's a small issuance fee to cover the, issuing of the plastic. But fear not, budgeting enthusiasts. The fee is quite reasonable, so you won't break the bank building your financial card castle. Virtual magic, convenience at your fingertips. Monese also offers virtual cards, those digital wonders that live comfortably within your Monese app. These virtual cards function similarly to their physical counterparts, allowing you to make secure online purchases without the need for a physical card. Think of them as your spending secret agents, perfect for those online transactions where you might be a tad unsure about the website's security. Plus, they're incredibly convenient. No need to wait for a physical card to arrive in the mail. You can create and use a virtual card within minutes of deciding you need it. The best part? Monese allows you to create one virtual card per currency you hold in your account, absolutely free of charge. That's right, free virtual cards for all your online shopping needs, across different currencies. So, how many cards can you have with Monese in total? Well, let's add it up. You get one free physical card and the ability to add more for a small fee, plus you can create one free virtual card per supported currency in your account. The Monese card takeaway. Monese offers a flexible card system that can adapt to your financial lifestyle. Whether you're a one-card kind of person or a multi-card maestro, Monese has you covered. With a combination of free virtual cards and affordable physical card options, you can create a financial management system that works for you. Remember, the key takeaway here is that Monese empowers you to manage your money in a way that best suits your needs. So, ditch the juggling act and explore the world of Monese cards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy spending.